Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. This is 2017 Elite Extra Edition Baseball. Even though this has been out for a while, this product in hobby box format still costs a bunch, and I was able to find a really good deal on this box. You can also get smaller boxes that come. This has 8 autographs and 2 mem. You can get longevity boxes of this, which have, I think, four or five, maybe, no, wait, maybe 3 hits. Don't quote me, hell, I don't know. Anyways, a smaller number of hits than this. There's nothing wrong if you know, with buying the longevity product if you want to, but they do hold back a little bit. It's just like kind of like when you buy a retail box of anything, it's going to be much tougher to get like an autograph of a top star. It can happen, but it's a little bit tougher. So if you want some of this and you can afford the hobby box, that's the way to go. I opened not too many of these. I opened a ton of the longevity version, and definitely got some good rookies, numbered rookies and stuff out of it, but I think by far my best stuff has come out of the couple of hobby boxes that I've opened. This won't be too long of a break. It's got 5 packs, 5 cards per pack, and since there are 10 hits, we can expect basically 2 per pack. So look at that. Oh baby, every card will be numbered, even the base cards. The base cards are numbered to 999. Alright, let's do it. Oh, and these are terrible for picking up fingerprints, so I'll try not to handle it too much. There is the Nick Prado base rookie. Dylan Busby Aspirations Purple to 200. A filler card, Matthew Laboratory USA autograph. Sticker auto, not numbered. So there's hit number 1. Pavin Smith red status die cut on card auto, very nice. This is numbered to 75. Off to a good start there. And the last card is Junior Panaguaya, I guess, base rookie. Alright, still looking for 6 more autographs and 2 mem cards. Hopefully some more good base rookies too. Mark Vientos, base rookie. Carlos Soto, red aspirations to 150. Mike Ballman, green, no, it's not green, it's emerald status die cut to 25. That is another on card autograph. And then we have a Kevin Mighton big silhouettes jersey to 49. So it's a parallel version, very nice. If you're going to get a mem card, that's the way to go. And the last card in this pack is Ronnie Rojas base rookie. This one is a thinner pack, so I'm guessing no mem card here. Alright, Quentin Holmes, Colton Hawk, that is red status die cut to 99. I'm going to get it in the light so you can actually see just how good these cards look. Jared Kalenic, USA autograph, very nice. Yeah, so far so good with these autographs. And then a Robert triple relic to 149. So I was wrong about the thickness of the pack. Got a little bit of white showing on this corner, but these cards are pretty notorious for that. And then finish it off with a Jake Junis base card. Next up, Brian Miller, base rookie. Brett Netzer, blue aspirations /75. Yes, Seth Beer, USA. Oh. Playoff ticket. Seth Beer playoff ticket autograph /15. Smokes, that's sweet. Wow. And that's why you buy the hobby box. Wow. Drew Ellis on card autograph. That is the base auto. Still not bad on card. And Robert Poisson /999. Alright, last pack. Man, it's good stuff. Tyler Buffett /999. Cole Brannon, purple aspirations /200. Tommy Doyle, little Tommy Doyle, on card auto, base auto. Johan Oviedo, that is a sticker silhouettes jersey auto combo /49. And then our last card is Adrian Morjon, base card. Wow. This is the, well, the Jared Kalenic autograph's pretty sweet, but this takes the cake. That's a really sweet card. Who was that first auto? Let me go back. Oh yeah, Liberatore. So that's not too great, but this Pavin Smith is nice. Let me stop putting my old grungy hands on these cards and get them in some holders. Alright, thanks for watching. That was 2017 Elite Extra Edition Hobby Box. Take care, you guys. Love you like a fat kid loves cake. I'll see you again soon.